So good afternoon and welcome back to Brochure's Adventures, and today, after doing the glacier stuff yesterday, the boat ride and all, I am here in Torres Del Paine, Chile, which is the national park here and the mountain range back over here that we're going to go to a few different viewpoints today. Unfortunately, I didn't have the time to actually do like a lot of trekking here, so I just did a day trip from El Calafate, and this is our first stop. We had to go through immigration and customs like anybody else would at the border, and we're going to have to do that on the way back tonight as well. Our morning starts with a nearly 3-hour journey south from El Calafate to the border station at Paso Rio Don Guillermo to enter Chile. The process only takes a few minutes before we're back on the bus heading into Torres del Paine National Park for the day. Our first real view of the Cordillera de Paine is from the east bank of the Lago El Toro. The Paine Range is made primarily of 12 million-year-old granite, with the highest point being Cerro del Paine, reaching 2,884 meters. Or 9,462 feet. Torres del Paine gets its name from the Spanish word torres, or towers, and the native tehuelche word for blue. The region is populated with a camelid species related to the llama and alpaca known as guanacos. They are one of the largest terrestrial mammals found in South America. Their fibers are prized for being soft and warm and found in luxury fabrics just like their cousins, the vicuña. With an average of 250,000 tourists a year, the Paine Range is a popular destination for hiking, offering some of the world's most scenic treks. The W Trek, named for its shape, takes you around the base of the towers, through the French Valley, and around Paine Grande to see Great Glacier over 4 to 5 days. The O Circuit, again named for its shape, goes a full 360 back to wherever you started, over 7 to 9 days. As you can probably already tell, the area's default setting is windy. Ooh, there's some of the lens there. So we had a quick little sack lunch over a waterfall that they prepared for us, and now we've come a little bit farther and we're doing a little hour-long trek here. And you can see the hills behind me are absolutely gorgeous. I'm taking tons of photos and panoramas. From this vantage point, it is easy to see why these features are called Cuernos de Paine, as you can easily recognize the resemblance to horns. The last stop on our short day trip to Torres del Paine National Park before we head back to El Calafate in Argentina is Mirador Salto Grande, a viewpoint above the Salto Grande waterfall. Salto Grande is on the outfall of Lake Nordenskjold on the Paine River that flows through many of the lakes near the Paine Range. Next time on Brochure's Adventures, I explore the island of the gods, Bali, Indonesia, with its unique culture and diversity of beautiful landscapes. Thank you for watching, stay tuned, and never stop adventuring.